how to create an invoice in Waveapps. Hey guys, in this video, I am going to show you how you can create an invoice in Waveapps. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. So the first thing that you want to do is open up your Waveapps account. Over here, there are two ways to create an invoice. After that, you can either go directly to invoice from the menu or click on more after you have added a customer. Then select create invoice. On the next page, you can add in the details such as numbers and items. Over here, I will add an item like loan service basic. After that, click on save and continue. Then approve the draft invoice. Over here, since payments are not set up yet, you can proceed to send the invoice. After that, you can add a personal note if needed. Then click on send and your invoice will be sent successfully. So that's how you can create an invoice in Waveapps. That's all for this video.